Fine, thank you, Pam. Can you see my screen? Yes, I think so. All right. So, look, we are ranging here since Friday. Okay, 4 days and 9 hours inside this range with these spike ups here. It was good if you were in front of your your screen, if you were able to get this spike here. That was perfectly in line with the first 75 level here, from here to here. Okay, it was absolutely perfect here to go along, actually. Okay, obviously it was a quick manipulation of the market up there, but if you were active, it was easy to get it. Okay, so Bitcoin is still waiting for now the levels down here. Okay, because if we see the range we are in from 6 February 6 here, it's obvious that we need to go in one direction, here or down here. Okay, so I think it will be great to try a shot here, but if we start to lose this level and getting an acceptance below this too low here, it's easy to say that we can even go lower. Okay, so if you see, look at this. This is situation here, this situation here. Okay, so we are in a little range, and possibly big drop as we had here. Okay, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get at least this level here. Let me adjust it here. Okay, around the 54, 55k. Wouldn't be a surprise in my opinion. Here or even down here. Okay, look. So at the moment we need to wait a bit. We try a short today that didn't go well. Actually stopped us for $500. Then it's back again. It's pretty hard to say now where we want to go. Even with Middle East situation, it's very at a critical point now. We don't, Trump changed his ideas every time. Yesterday we were positioned very well for a short. We took TP1. Then he suddenly said that he would like talk with Iran, even if Strait Hormuz will be closed again. It's so difficult, guys, at the moment. So difficult. Okay, so now Bitcoin is still here. So two situations, as I told you, above these levels, below these levels. Okay, at the moment the only things that another thing that you need to take a look at is the situation down here. Okay, so the short bias here was good in my opinion today, with tight stops, because we have here the acceptance below the POC. Okay, when you start to struggling to get above the POCs, you should start to think about like why we're not able to get above the POCs, because the market doesn't have the strength to go above it. Okay, so the answer is simple. So then why don't try a short on it? It was good. Never mind, we took the loss. Now we wait a bit. I'm not forcing anything at the moment, just few trades, because looking now at the market, I don't have a clear bias where they want to go now. So until we reach this level here, maybe to try along. Otherwise, my two bias are again these levels here and these level here. Acceptance above, acceptance below, or a bounce on the area I told you with the POCs we have. Okay. So then also we have Ethereum, that it's like holding a bit better than Bitcoin at the moment. Let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, this was the manipulation I talked to you. And look, it was perfectly in line with the 75, so it was good to have some limits there, to be honest. And it was too fast to get it for me, because I was not in front of the computer. Let's take a look at the TypeEO, how it's going here. Okay, still above the POC of the day. Test it down here. Actually, we can have like, yeah, if it holds here, we can have like, if it holds this level here, we can have a little bit of relief, in my opinion. Yeah, maybe this could be a little support for Ethereum. Maybe. But yeah, not so clear at the moment, fam. We need to wait a bit. It's very uncertain in the market at the moment, in my opinion. We missed this one we talked about. Okay. Any coin you want to look at, for example, any smaller cap, or I don't know. Ah, shit. This was good. Look at this. Maybe we don't have even have. Yeah. Even on the 5, we wouldn't catch it on Filecoin. Hype is holding well. I told you last stream there was a guy with a long on Hype that it was better to close it, in my opinion, because it was holding too well to keep it up. So I saw Muro and always calling Hype today for this support here. I think we had this web of this low here, and it was good in my opinion. Yeah, this was a great one. So even here would be nice for me. This level here. Let's see where is the POC of the expansion. It's up here, so it was better if we had the POC around here. Obviously, here would be a great sweep of the value area low and a regain. Not so confident, but could be great to position here. I would wait for a second stop run and maybe get this 5-hour trade. Maybe gonna set an alert here if we come down here. What do you think is good for short? I saw that was good for short here on the 30 for BCH, perfectly in line with 2 POCs. Here, boom, boom, one here, so the entry would have been like here. So now it would be like 2R, but yeah, this was a good one. Miss it. Working on something else and I miss it, to be honest. Not so confident in trading now, so I work on something else. It's easy. I don't want to waste money in front of the chart when I'm not confident. Wait, what? Missed it. Here. SNX. Let's see where are the liquidation. Negative funding. Okay, so this is the short liquidation color. Let me make it red. Green. So it's aligned. Yeah. Oh, wait. What did I miss? Oh. Label color. So, here, what can we have? Maybe could be good for a short SNX if we start to see a bit of spike in this area. Obviously, not the best RR, but imagine if we get. Oh, wait, my bad. One entry, two entry, three entry. We would bring the position from 1.7 to 2.86 more or less. Okay, stop loss break even, and we try to get 1, 2, and 3 as always. So let's keep an eye on SNX. LDO is keeping, like, we scalped. No, we don't. We did Ondo. Actually, this is going very well in my opinion. Let's take it from a macro perspective. Obviously. Let's from here. Perfectly retested. I'm seeing a lot of this pattern. Okay, where you have a spike like this, consolidation below, and a breakout of the descending range. Okay, it's very common in a lot of alts at the moment. 4 hour. Oh shit, this was good. Again, not my fav trend line, but if it breaks it, it's very well. Very, very well. Type shit here. Then we have this level here. Okay, so with few lines you can like have a clear look of the levels you have on your chart. Orca could be good. Orca could be very interesting. We don't have anything in the previous price action, the past one. But yeah, if it breaks above this trend line, I wanna see an impulsive candle closing above, a retest, and we can try a long on the retest of the line. No, wait, what? Here. 4 5%, and we can target these eggs here. This one could be interesting. Also, it's not like a big cap, so it can scam pump at any moment. Cannot tell you what I'm working on. It's a secret. It's a secret. What do we have here? Okay, so look at this big cluster. This cluster on rune can be interesting above here. Obviously, we would put stop loss like here or here. I would go here with a couple of entries to get at least this 3R. Maybe we can have like an entry like this and have a 5R trade. So again, a couple of limits above here. Let me take a look at the funding rate. Okay, not so liquid. Nothing interesting, fam, to be honest. It's a very boring market. We are ranging. We don't have a clear direction. We are the cards of Trump at the moment. Okay, so he can play with us as he wants. Obviously, he doesn't care about the people trading cryptos and something else. So it's not like I got liquidated due to Trump. Okay, it's like because we just need to wait what he says every day, because he can obviously give a direction to the market, okay, in every condition. So for now, the thing is that wait, relax, patient, touch some grass, wait for new opportunities, and that's it, to be honest. Nah, no clue, no clue. It's all secret. Nothing special, to be honest. Looking to develop some software, so let's see, what can I do? So even here on Aptos, I tried a long on myself here. I didn't like, I was like here and I was okay, we got the bottom on this one. Boom, break even here after the confirmation on the 30 here. Pick, there were some POCs, got in here. I was like, oh, okay, confirmed, stop loss, break even, boom, down. Okay, it's a break even, so I don't care. It would have been a stop. But the thing is that it was all aligned for a good reversal to get at least one here, one here, one here, and then boom, down manipulation. Up again, oh yeah, we to the moon, now boom, down again. So how it's crazy. How crazy. Again here, this trend line obviously could be good. Now if it breaks above to change the trend, would be also a trend line breakout plus a level recovery on here. Okay, boom, down, bearish retest here. So until we don't get above this box on Aptos, I'm bearish. The thing is that we need this one above. Boom. Like this. Okay, so now could be the moment to start again to trade like night. Maybe look at the move it had, or like wave. impulsive to the downside, expansion. So these little coins with that with low volumes can pump a lot. Okay, not Kava. Cas was perfectly tested on the 75. I think I had also some others, and to be honest, I don't know why I missed them. Oh, okay, yeah, because was for the manipulations I was away from keyboard. No, here was the manipulation. No, I totally missed it. Never mind. I tried also pop cut. We tried pop cut and got a stop loss on this. We were trying to get a 50R for the month. We stopped at like 40. It's okay, obviously. It's a great month, but at the end it was like a personal challenge to get the 50. Koala did it. He's an amazing trade in my opinion. I love it. I love his style, how it goes with on the chart in all the market situation. It's always on the line. I love his trading style, and he did it. I think it like did 55 art for the trade. Amazing month. It's an amazing guy. So follow him because he's amazing. Yeah. Pippi completely died. Pippi not died at all. Look. It lost, I think, like 99%, 87%. Wow. Crazy shit. Okay, let me see if we have others here. Not so much. BCH was perfect. Fuck off. Sometimes I don't want to force with this condition, but sometimes the trades that I would have taken would have been like very very great. What also we have here? Map not okay. So here we have obviously for now. After 7 years of trading view, I don't even know where there are rectangle and stuffs. I still get confused on the dashboard. Okay, so here again, look. I don't like this spikes, so when I see coins with this kind of spikes, I like, okay, I don't touch this shit. But yeah, obviously here we have a trend, we have a box, we have a level. If you go on lower time frame, you can clearly see that for now it's a bearish retest, okay, of the level. So when you play with the levels, it's very easy for you. You can like adopt different strategies, but at the end the things that work at most are volumes, order book, and levels. Okay, so for now, until we are below this level here on MAV, for example, it's easy to say that you can try to go and try a short. The invalidation is like it get above this box and retest it. Okay, so you can like try with lower stop loss here to get a better RR, or have like a stop loss here where you have two possibilities: scam pump and got even like an R in the both way, or if it start to regain the box and here retested, you can try to close it like almost break even or even break even, and change your bias into a long one. Okay, so we stops down here and here. Okay, wait, incoming call. Let me answer 1 second. Ti richiamo.
Sì, ciao.
Okay. And yeah, so you did I activate the microphone? Yeah. Okay, yeah, so you change your bias and you can go long. For now it's still bearish. Let's take a look at Aster. The thing is that I saw, okay, so this is the position we had. The thing is that I saw here on Aster the impulsive move we had. Now we retested on lower time frame the trend that we broke. Okay, you can even like this here a bit now. Again, if we start to break above these eyes here, I think it can at least take a quick pump up here, at least, and then get here. It's a big move, but with few candles, coin like Aster can get it. The thing also is that we took a great liquidity down here. We break above, we can consolidate, and if we keep the strength on the coin, we can like cook a bit here. Okay. Yo, 30 minutes. Italian football team is playing with Bosnia at the moment, I think. So I'm gonna watch the game for the qualification at World Cup. Let's see if we can achieve it or not. I don't know. Maybe would be the third one in a row without World Cup for Italian team. But yeah, let's see. All right. So let me stop the stream now.